Hello, teacher and classmates. This is my final project, and I hope this will help viewers who want to be a data analyst and want to get to know. The topic is cell division. Cell division is about product, customers, and cell performance. I divided contents into three: introduction, database, and demo. Introduction. Visualization is the best way to show your business progress. And I also defined three problems. Stocking, what we gonna sell, customer who gonna buy, sales, how to sell. Solution is gather all the information from our data warehouse that already made, convert data into solution. And the product or service. Between product and customer, which is our top priority. And so to find the right solution is we have to get to know the target market by find the right customer by their gender, by yearly income, by education. And this is the database Adventure Work 2019, Adventure Work DW 2019. This database is provided by Microsoft, and this also provided by Microsoft, and it's just the referees to make a new data warehouse. So you have to know that there are five main dimension tables: dim product, dim sales territory, dim geography, dim date, and dim customer. Dim customer is the table that I have made in exercise, but unfortunately, I didn't get enough column to complete the Power BI project, so I decided to choose from the Adventure Work DW 2019. And to make effective, we have to combine cell order header and cell order detail. So this is all about database, and you get to see it in my demo soon. So let's jump into the demo. And this is the SIS. There are two main containers. First container is combined with dimension tables, name product, name cell territory, name geography, and name customer. Name products I use four tables: product, product model, product subcategory, and product category to make a name product. And I use merge join, and in the merge join I use left join because we have to use left join to keep all the records from the product. And so let's move to dim geography. Dim geography, I made it in the intention of making a map in Power BI, but unfortunately it doesn't work. And dim customer also uh, I also made it, but I chose from Adventure Work DW 2019. And fake cell. Fake cell store is combined with two tables, cell order header and cell order detail. So we have to get a key from dimension table. So I choose dim product and dim cell territory, and other dimension table like dim date and dim customer. I didn't extract the key from them because I just uh, connect in Power BI by by their original ID. So this is the ETL process. We load many table into a dim dimension tables, and before loading, we have to truncate the tables first, and then we can move to the fact table. And that's it from the ETL process. So let's go to the Power BI dashboard. This is my Power BI, and I think it's good to see it in Power BI service. So I push it. I already pushed it into Power BI service. They are four main things like product report, customer report, sales performance, and dashboard. Okay, let's see in Power BI service. Now we are in Power BI service, and I just click on product report. So this is the product report. There are number of product in the up in the top, and the top price good for sale. It means the product that are good for sale. In product in house, mean products in stock, and number of product category and the day to manufacture. And there are four charts. The first is average cost by category, total price, top 10 manufacturing days by subcategory name, and total cost and total price. So to make it just more useful, I already made a slide that we can drag to see its category name. Like for example, bikes. As we can see, we can easily see the top manufacturer is by their subcategory, like road bikes, mountain bikes, touring bikes, and also the total cost and total price. So yeah, and the bikes, they are 97 products, and it's 100% good for sale, and the product in house is 100% uh, store. So let's go into the next one. Okay, this is the customer segmentation. In customer segmentation, it's really important for the business. First, the number of customer we have, total purchase, and I think it's good to know about as a customer have car, so the car is like uh, indicate their finance. So I think it's important like zero car owned by 23% and one, two, three, and four, and by it their education like bachelor degree, high school, graduate degree, so on. And also, there are customer that doesn't have home, 32%, and this is the number of customer by their occupation. So, like I told you, I choose the same customer from the Adventure Works DW 2019. So it's already made English occupation for us. And this is the top 10 customer by purchase amount. So I think, yeah, I put this as the indicators when we click on each customer, like Nicola, and it's so the information of that customers. So, in the shock way, like surprising way, like Nicola's female, own four-car home. It does mean she has a home in bachelor degree management single, but she has two children. It's kind of weird. So yeah, so it's good to see and interact, and also we can using slide by yearly income and so on. Now let's go to the next one. This is the sell performance, and their sell amount, hex amount, and rate. It's mean the price of delivery. So in sell amount, I separate by years and using name date. So and by the quarter, and we can using slide. And this is the sell amount by the name of the country, like Australia, Canada, Central, France, Germany, and so on. And yeah, so that's it from this. And let's go to the dashboard, the final. In my dashboard, they are sell amount, the same sell amount, and order quantity, profit, and this number of customer, number of order, and slide. And they are like this, sell amount by some and profit by product category name. You see it's like sell amount and profit, it looks like the same, but it's not the same because profit is equal sell amount divided by a tax and the discount, price discount. So yeah, it's profit. But you can see just point into this and compare the price, it's different. Okay. Okay, this is the sell amount by month number Q, and this is sell amount by product category name. Twice we get the most sell amount from, and yearly income of the customer from like a 17% is the most, uh, $60,000 per year, and this is the occupation. Like 30% is professional, and the most of our customer. And that's all from my presentation. Thank you for attention. But I think this is a big deal for me, and I have spent much time on this. I hope you get an idea how I work on Power BI and data warehouse. Thank you for listening. Goodbye.